Hello, welcome everyone to Altair Mesh Mastery Contest. I am Pruthviraj Rahul Dongare, pursuing B.Tech at Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology Sangli in Mechanical Engineering. Today, I'll demonstrate to demesh, 3D tape mesh, and 3D hex mesh on 3 different components using Altair's latest 2024 HyperMesh software. Altair HyperMesh provides unmatched pre- and post-processing capabilities for finite element modeling. HyperMesh 2024, supercharged with streamlined Python API integration and an industry-leading user experience, delivers significant advancements towards a more efficient and customizable CA ecosystem. So let's begin with 2D mesh. So first, we have to import the model. After importing the model, we will begin editing the topology of our component. Before generating our mesh, we need to review the topology of our model. For this, go to 2D ribbon surface repair and validate. Select all surfaces and find. So here we can see the legend is updated and there are no geometric errors. Our component is simplified for meshing. Let's change the edge color to reflect topology. Before proceed with meshing, need to identify the smallest b using measure command. So here we get smallest distance as 5, therefore, I will assign element size as 1.25. We will utilize the batch mesher tool to perform automatic meshing in batch mode. Using the parameter and criteria files, we can set mesh options and element quality criteria to ensure we achieve the desired surface mesh. Now for good mesh flow and make meshing simple, we will split the component from topology ribbon quick edit by using split interactive. So our component is ready to mesh. Simply select surface to mesh and click on mesh. We can change the elements density from edit elements and density, then select the edge and desired density of elements. Now let's perform same process for all surfaces of component. Finally, we can see smooth to demesh is completed. Now we can check elements quality from auto quality command. Here we can see all the errors like warpage, aspect, skew and Jacobian all are 0. Now let's start with tetramesh. After importing the second model again, we will begin with editing the topology of our component. Before generating our mesh, we need to review the topology of our model. For 3D tape mesh, go to 3D ribbon tape mesh and click on create. Using the parameter and criteria files, we can set mesh options and element quality criteria to ensure we achieve the desired surface mesh. Then select the solid and simply click mesh. Here we can see tape mesh is generated and proper mesh flow is maintained. Now let's check the element quality from edit panel in 3D ribbon and select solid mesh optimization. Select the elements and click on check. So here we get 0 elements failed. So now let's start with 3D hex mesh. Model is imported here. We can see there are fillets in our model which can make meshing complicated. We can remove them by using the feature command from topology. Let's start with this part. First we will create to demesh by batch mesher command. Next, using extrude command from topology, drag the 2 elements to target surface. Here we get the 3D hex mesh. Similarly, we generated solid hex elements of Altair parts, and now we completed our hex meshing of our component. Thank you for watching.